was around this time when the American Railroad finally realized the value of electric locomotives, even though they already scrapped the Virginian years ago. They needed something built locally to pull passengers, but there wasn't such available, and importing one from Europe would be expensive. So they turned toward a coal-hauling railroad. This is General Electric, a 6-axle electric locomotive mainly built for coal-hauling services, and was given the honor to serve as the electric passenger locomotive, but not without being painted into a special livery and having the motors be upgraded for high speed. But because he had 6 axles, it wasn't easy for him to go too fast without a derailment. He meant well, but was clumsy at times. Of course, the FRA didn't approve of the derailment, so instead of going fast, he had to slow down instead.
"I miss going fast, but at least I be safer too,"
said General Electric. The moral of the story is that even when being excited, one must be careful when starting something new. However, this isn't the end of the story yet. He was eventually retired upon Estella's arrival, so General Electric in Pennsylvania are preserved to this day. Who's Pennsylvania, you ask? He was a fierce competitor against New York Central. But around the advent of cars and planes, they needed to merge to keep the railroad going, and Penn Central wasn't all that reliable and often derailed. Both New York Central and Pennsylvania were retired, with only Pennsylvania to survive into preservation, which brings us to where we are today.